Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So for today's video, you guys, I got FabFitFun early, and I'm so excited. I swear I just picked out these items maybe like 2 weeks ago, and I already got it. Oh my god, this is a huge box, but look at how cute this box is. Like, look, it's all pink. This reminds me more of summer than fall. This is the fall box. Oh, can you believe it's fall? It's like freaking August. I cannot wait for pumpkin season. When pumpkin season at Starbucks comes out, I'm gonna go get myself a pumpkin spice cold brew coffee. Oh, so excited. I've been waiting for it all year. But look at how cute. I decided to match with the box because I thought this color was adorable, this pink. So without further ado, let's go see what I got in this box. But if you guys do like unboxings, makeup tutorials, clothing hauls, and a little bit of vlogs, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And let's get into this video. Okay, so FabFitFun, this is the fall 2022. This is I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I might just put it over there. I'm just gonna put it over there on my table. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. I think it's about $52 to $54 every season. So spring, summer, winter, fall. This is the fall box, which I'm so excited for. It's usually my favorite. I think fall and winter are usually my favorite boxes. These choices were, well, they're all right, but I'm glad I got to choose everything. You can either get this subscription every season or you can get it annually. I pay for the annual membership because you do get to pick first before everyone else. Before everyone else does usually the seasonal members. So the annual members get open the choices, I think, a week before than the regular members. So I think it's pretty cool, especially if you hop on it the first day, you can get really good stuff. And then you can add on stuff. I did actually add on a couple of things because I love adding on for the price. I think the prices are amazing for the brands and the materials, everything in here. So yeah, I will leave a link down below in the description box if you are interested. If you're not, that's fine, cool. It's still there. It's there for your convenience. Let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, guys. There it is. I cannot. So I'm just gonna put it over here. FabFitFun app. Okay, so I can tell you guys what everything costs, what I got. FabFitFun. First item is this. I believe this is a duffel bag. This is pretty big. Like, look at. Oh, this is actually not that big. I think it's actually pretty small. I thought this duffel bag was gonna be a lot bigger, but I like for the size, especially when you want like a travel or carry-on or like overnighter. This is a good bag. It does have a zipper, which I like. It has a zipper on the outside. Let's look on the inside. If it has a zipper on the inside, that's a win. It does have a zipper on the inside. It has a zipper on the inside, and it has another handle. So for a crossbody, because you can either hold it like this or you can make it a crossbody. That's cool. I like this bag. So this was one of the first choices. I believe the first choice had like 8 options that you could choose. If I see the options, I will put them on here right now. If not, I am so sorry. I did not get pictures of all the options, which I should have. But this is the Mally and Lily Weekender bag. It is originally MSRP $128, which I don't believe a lot of these prices, but sure. Don't remember what I added on, honestly. This was the first item. I chose this, and then I think I added on a blush, which I will show you what I added on. I'm so excited for this. So you were able to add on choices. Say if you like something in like choice 1, but you wanted both options, right? Or multiple options, you could add it on for an extra $15. And I thought this was so cool to add on this NARS blush for 15 bucks. Like, these are $40 at Sephora. Look how pretty this color is. Ooh, it's like an orange, pinky, coral color. This is in Orgasm, and I've never had this color, so I really... Wait, did I choose this color? I did. I always wanted to try this because everyone raves about this blush, how pretty it is, and it is. Look at that. Ooh, that's my type of blush. So I've always wanted to try it. Really pigmented, really pretty. It's shiny, has a little shiny effect, very pigmented. You can tell, see? Just gonna make it even. Now we're very blushy. I don't mind. I think that's cute. So yeah, this was an added on, and it was only $15. And I was like, holy crap, never in my life have I had a NARS blush or even tried it. I know it's a cult favorite. I could see why. It's really pretty, super pigmented. I'm excited for this. And only $15 to add on stuff. Like, that's why I think it's worth it, because you only pay 50 bucks for the box, right? But you get a whole lot of stuff. And then if you want to add on stuff, you get it for discounts. Love it. Okay, my second item was the Glossier Future Dew. This is supposed to be originally $26 MSRP. It's supposed to be a moisturizer. Oh, it's really pretty. Do you guys see how like pearlescent and pretty that is? That's cute. And this is a oil serum hybrid. I just opened one serum, so I don't want to open this, but I really like the packaging. I'm not gonna open it. I'm not gonna open it. It says apply 2 pumps all over your face at the last step in your skincare routine. You can add it to the high points of your face if you wanted to do like an extra glow, like a highlight basically. Okay, I didn't really know what to choose, so I was like, I'm gonna choose that. I really wish I would have got, maybe I can find, I know I added this on, actually I added on something else, so that was my choice item. I added on this little bag because I thought it was really cute, and it came with this winter flower embroidery set. So these two came together for like an extra $10. I think it was 10 bucks to add these on, which I thought it was cute for 10 bucks. It's like a little basket and an embroidery set. And the embroidery set, I think I'm gonna give it to my mom. I'm gonna give it to her. And what I like about FabFitFun is that it's not just all makeup, it's like actual home goodies that you would use. Oh, this is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So it's just like a little basket. It's woven, can you tell? It's all woven. I think my mom would use this for her, like she does a lot of sewing and crochet, and I think she would actually put like her wool in here. So that's cute. And then this embroidery set by Craft Crush. And then it's just a set so you can make this flower embroidery. Like it has needles right there, and then it has the actual pattern, and then the thread is in there, which I think is pretty cool. For like, I think it was either 10 or 15. I'm pretty sure it was 10. I don't think it was 15. I think this two together, like that's a pretty good deal for that. Oh, $12. I got this for $12. I added it on for 12 bucks. So the Glossier Dew was the second item, and then I added it on with that choice. Okay, so the third item, I got some sunglasses, and then I added on some hoop earrings. The sunglasses are La Deso Brooklyn sunglasses. Originally, they are $80. OMG, I just found the earrings. I did not expect them to be that tiny. I'm actually surprised at how tiny they are. Oh, I thought these were black, and they're not black. Are they black on the thing? Oh no, they're not. They're like tortoise. I swear I thought they were black. I think I like these a little bit more that they're not black, because I like the tortoise, and it's like a tortoise camel, tan camel color. Okay, so these are the sunglasses. They're actually really cute. I think I'm gonna turn off this light so you could see it a little bit better. Look at how cute. You know what? I would wear these. They're a little oversized, but they will not fall off. That's good. Look, they would just go to there, but like that's fine. I don't know actually. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. They're a little too oversized for my head. I do have very small head, and then my ears are kind of weirdly placed. Like they're not placed like where my eyes are supposed to be. Like you would think that that's where my ears are, but my ears are down here. So like look at how much space is between where my ears are supposed to be. So if I would actually put them where my ears are, it's like that, and then it's just hanging off my nose, you know? So we're not, I don't know. I might give these to someone who I know might enjoy them, because for me they're a little big. I wanted to try them out. I wish they were smaller, but you don't know when you're choosing your stuff. Sometimes you're just in a hurry on the first day. You're like, this is what I want. But I did add on these earrings, and these earrings are probably not for me. Probably gonna give them to my goddaughter because she would love this. They are just tiny little Huggies earrings, if you can see it. It's so tiny. MSRP $65. E-gold hoops of AJ Carmela hoop earrings. I knew they were tiny, but I didn't expect them to be this tiny, and I know myself, I'm not gonna wear these. I like bigger earrings. Like these are probably the smallest size that I wear. Other than that, I like the big hoops. So I'm gonna give this to her. Okay, the fourth item was this little salad vegetable chopper, because I hate chopping vegetables, but I want to do it because I really do like cooking, and I especially like avocado toast. I like putting all avocado toast and then tomato, then some onions, spinach, and then like a fried egg on top on a sourdough bread. The best breakfast ever. So that is the chopper. Oh, if you open it, it does have the blade. See right there? I'm not gonna touch it because I don't want to know how. Oh no, it's sharp. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's sharp. Oh, Oh, okay. Okay, look, can you tell? Can you see it? So you just pull this. So it has this like ring right here, and then you kind of just pull and spin. See? Ah. It does say like mint, onions, avocado, tomatoes, carrots, bell peppers. There's no hard stuff. That is perfectly fine with me. This is $19.95. I like how they actually have like their actual price, and it says chopping veggies for making salsa, meal prep, blah 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 blah. I think it's cute. I like the color. I'll get good use out of it. The fifth item is these dryer balls. Honestly, all the selections were kind of blah to me, and I was like, what am I going to use? It's probably the dryer balls. Her dryer sheets are really bad, and so is Downy. So we're trying to like stay away from all that stuff. And I have noticed that when we do put Downy fabric softener like in the laundry, like it kind of just sits there and stays there, and it doesn't really do much. And I don't really care if like the clothes smell like very fresh, like linen fresh. I just want them to be clean. As long as they don't stink and they smell clean, I don't care about the scent, honestly. Yeah, this is 100% organic wool dryer balls. They smell like sheep. I mean, it's wool. That sounds like something smells like the farm. Like when you're in a petting zoo, you know? When you're at the fair and you smell the animals, that's what this smells like. So at least we know it's 100% wool. That's good. I hope they didn't hurt the sheep while doing this. It says ethically sourced, handmade in Nepal. A set of 3 is $20. So that was the fifth item. Like I said, I didn't really know what to choose. So I was like, I'm just gonna choose something practical that I would use. The last item, why is it so dirty? The box is like full of cardboard. The sixth item is the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. What I do like about the fifth and sixth items is that sometimes it's just like one single item like these, because these are more high ticketed price items, or sometimes they have like a selection, like you can choose like 2 to 3 different things in your last selection. So I do like this. I love Dr. Brandt. I love their cleanser so much. Their pore something cleanser. I actually have, I'm gonna bring it out right now, and I love a lot of their face stuff, their cleansers, their oils, their toners. I think Dr. Brandt is a really good brand, especially if you have acne prone skin. It really does get rid of your acne. This is the hydrating essence. It's a tone, smooth, and revitalize for all skin types, and I kind of want to try it. There we go. Oh, it's a harder mist. It's not as fine. Oh, it smells like Dr. Brandt. Like if you know the smell, you know the smell. It smells like medicinal, not really herbal, not floral, more medicinal, if that makes sense. $35 hydrating skincare essence. It has grapeseed extract, rose, and green tea. I think I smell the green tea. That's what most of the power of the scent is. And that was the 6 items. I do have a couple more items that I want to show you before you guys leave. First of all, they threw in Lumify for free. I did not pay for this or order this. They threw this in as a sample, which I think is pretty cool. I just ordered this on Amazon, and I think it was like $13. I should have used it today because I really want to see if it works. For me, I think I would get a lot of good use out of this. So these are eye drops, but it's supposed to make like your whites of your eyes like super bright, and I heard it's really good. It's actually very popular on TikTok right now. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours, and it's basically eye drops make your eyes bright. And then I usually always get these every single box. These are my add-ons, not add-ons, subscription add-ons. So basically I pay like $8 and $8, which is really good because this is a Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. But every time that I get my new subscription, I usually run out of this. I actually use this, I want to say 4 to 5 times a week. I switch between this one and the Cream Shop Gel Cleanser. These two are my favorite ones. I also have the Wishful, like the exfoliator. I like that one too. But this is my favorite one, the Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid and white willow bark tree oil bark as well. I think this is originally like 40 bucks, and you can get it for $8 if you're like a subscribed member, and you would get it every single box. So you subscribe for it, so it's a lot cheaper, a whole lot cheaper, and then every box they just throw it in as an add-on. And then I have the Farewell Frizz by Borogio. I love this item so much. This is a blow dry perfectant heat and heat protecting cream. So when I get out of the shower, what I do is I'll put oil in my hair, and then I'll usually go in with this. I usually use it like as a leave-in deep conditioner, and it leaves my hair really soft and silky. Today I used a different one. I used the Evo deep conditioning spray with the JVN hair oil. I love the hair oil. It makes my hair so soft and silky. But this is amazing, especially for as a heat protectant, and it's Brogio and it smells divine. It smells so good. I highly recommend it, and it's pretty inexpensive, and I think at Sephora it's like $25, so worth it to get it as a subscription in the box. I love this so much. That was everything in the box. I like, you know what, they didn't throw any dumb stickers, because they always throw in a sheet of stickers and I don't know what to do with them. So I'm glad they didn't throw in stickers and they actually threw in like a sample. I'd rather get a sample of stuff to try out than stickers. But thank you, FabFitFun. I really do appreciate it. I cannot believe of how fast this box came. I also live like less than a mile away from the factory of FabFitFun, so I just do think that has a contribution to it. I'm sorry. I live here, you know. So anyways, thank you guys so much for coming. I really do appreciate it. If you guys haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really does mean the world to me if you guys do. Like the video, click that little notification bell so you can be notified on future boxes. I will leave a link down below of FabFitFun with my link if you guys do want to check out the box or anything with it. And I'll see you guys in the very next video. I love you guys. I missed you. I missed you so much. I miss filming, and it feels so good to be here. It just relieves the stress of my crazy 8 to 5 job. Ridiculous. But yeah, I really do appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!